Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be going into the perfect ombre lip. So here's the tutorial on how to achieve such an ombre finish. And if it's your first time here, I am Miss Candy JB. Welcome. So we're gonna get started. So first off, I'm gonna start off with fresh lips. I honestly don't know why I said fresh lips, but I meant to say bare lips. So you need to first moisturize your lips. In my case, I used Vaseline. Starting off, I used my black Davis eye pencil as the best to give that rich, deeper finish look. For me personally, I prefer starting off with my lower lip and make sure you follow exactly how your lips are lined. Next, I'm going in with my matte lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Escapist 45. For your lower lip, do not overline. I normally just align following how my lips are naturally lined. Oh yeah, ensure you follow how your lips have been created, baby girl. You feel me? So you gotta do the natural way. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, don't mind me. Just happy content creation. I tell you guys, it's not a joke. Gotta stay motivated, gotta stay jovial, positive attitude all the way. So, um, for your upper lip, you're allowed to overline, especially if your upper lip is smaller than the lower lip. But don't overdo it. You feel me? Not overdoing it. While at it, make sure to avoid the area you have highlighted around your cupid spot. So as you can see, I have highlighted my cupid area, so to give you that popping look. We gotta be popping. We gotta get popping. We are popping. After I'm done lining, I normally fill in my edges, just around my edges, starting from the outer corner towards the in, but not the entire lip. Not that. So next shade of lipstick we're going to use is from Hudah Beauty in the shade Hot Red. Make sure you concentrate that on the middle part only, both on the lower lip and the upper lip. Yes. And after you're done, make sure you blend in the edges nicely. Just tap, tap, tap until they all blend in beautifully together. Make sure there are no harsh lines, just a perfect blend of the two shades. Trust the process, you're gonna notice. Kindly note, bear in mind, anytime you're using a matte lipstick, always ensure to moisturize your lips with either Vaseline or lip gloss, but use a small amount so that we can still achieve the matte finish. The technique for ombre is to make sure you start with a deeper tone, then lighter. So after you're done, you can use your foundation or concealer to clean out any overlines. And for this, you're gonna need a very tiny brush. Very tiny brush. And yeah, to just ensure that it helps on the cleaning out of the overlines. It makes wax easier. That is why I'm just advising for you to use that tiny brush. And that will be it, guys, from me today. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm grateful for you guys for always tuning in to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. And that is it. I mean, that is it. That is it. So see you in my next video. Goodbye. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a